When you have a personal injury claim, choosing the right attorney is important because it means the difference between winning and losing your case. Here are 5 things you should consider when you're looking for a personal injury attorney. 1. Their credentials. A lot of personal injury attorneys have specialized fields, and they deal mainly with specific cases and situations. Make sure that you pick an attorney whose credentials shine and who is specialized in a way that can give your case some leverage. 2. Their reputation. Pay close attention to your attorney's reputation. What's their success record? If it's a good one, then they will have the negotiation skills that they need to win your case. If they don't win frequently, then they are probably worth avoiding. 3. Free initial consultations. Try to look for personal injury attorneys who offer free initial consultations. All reputable personal injury attorneys give free case assessments and operate on a contingency basis. They only get paid if they win your case. 4. Asking the right questions. There are plenty of questions that you can ask a personal injury attorney. Do you have reviews from your past clients? Who will be assigned to my case? How much experience do you have? Pay close attention to the answers that you receive. 5. Communication. By communicating clearly, you can usually work out what they get from their job. Being able to spot the difference between an attorney who is only interested in monetary gain and one who is concerned about the client's welfare is important. When you or someone you love has been injured as a result of negligence of another, you need a trusted and experienced attorney to get the compensation you deserve. If you are seeking for a trusted and experienced attorney to help you work through the legal process and concerns that you may have, contact us today for a free consultation.